Welcome to the second to last week of our course, ED 604. Your big assignment this week is to work as a team to post your presentation about your book talk that you are giving on the book you've chosen and been taking notes on and coming up with applications to share with your classmates. Remember that this presentation needs to be narrated, so the easiest way probably with the whole group contributing is through a PowerPoint that each of you is narrating and posting some different slides to add together. One person should be designated to post on the discussion link for the book teams, and that needs to be up by Wednesday at midnight. Then for the rest of the week, each individual, you won't be responding as a team, you'll be individually as you want to from Thursday to Sunday, looking at all of the other book teams that have posted their presentations, and you'll be responding to some of the reflection questions that they're building in or some of the ideas that you're taking away for your own practice from what they've shared from their author. The final thing you'll be working on this week is in preparing your own culminating project presentation that will be next week's assignment during the last week of our class. For next week, as you're thinking about your culminating project, you should be thinking of those three key factors that you think are so vital to create the ideal classroom, school, or coaching environment. And you'll be elaborating on those keys with examples from the readings, some of the theorists that we've been reading and some of the people we've been viewing with their educational ideas through the TED Talks and the personal interviews and sharing. So any of the sources that we've been looking at will be what you'll tie into your three purposes to cite quotes or ideas from those theorists. The final part of your culminating project, your individual project, is to think about how this applies with practical applications. So you would share a purpose, like, for instance, building relationships, cite some of the social emotional work, some of the culturally responsive theorists that have talked about the importance of building relationships, and have some examples from your real classroom, maybe even with pictures, or if you just want to find things to put on your slides that illustrate your points from the internet, you will be talking about some practical ways to do that in your classroom or in your coaching setting. That needs to be up by next Wednesday at midnight so that then your group, your culminating project group, which is a subgroup of the class, will just be looking at each other's and giving some appreciative feedback at the end of next week. So this assignment is not due this week at all. It's just a look ahead to next week and what's coming past your book team projects. I hope you have a wonderful week, and if anyone has questions, please feel free to contact me. Thanks.